self-kindness meditation. Sitting in a comfortable position and allowing the eyes to close. Bring the awareness to the breath and allow your breathing to be just as it is. Watch as your body settles down into this present moment. And give yourself permission to do nothing. Give yourself permission to embrace this moment of stillness. There is nothing at all that needs to be done other than stay here and listen to my voice. And bringing to mind a loving present. That might be a beloved family member or a friend. Or perhaps it's a spiritual figure or a teacher. Someone who has unconditional love for you. Bringing them into your mind. Anyone who brings you a feeling of peace, of joy, and of safety, of being cared for, and of being accepted exactly as you are in this moment. And noticing what it feels like to have their presence near you. And ask yourself, what words would you want this person to say to you if they could speak? Perhaps they say, "You are enough." You are worthy. You are doing your best. And place your hand on your heart. And when you place your hand on your heart, aim for your heart center at the center of the chest. This induces a feeling of relaxation, of safety. And feel that sense of love and acceptance seeping into your body. The way heat from a hot water bottle or sunlight would flood you. You are worthy. You are doing your best. You are enough. And perhaps imagine this person putting one or both arms around you, embracing you. And maybe even you want to do that yourself by placing your arms around you and giving yourself a hug. And when we give ourselves a hug, we release oxytocin, the feel-good hormone. Imagining this love surrounding you, loving and accepting every single aspect of you. Every single aspect, including the ones that you can't accept. And if you struggle at all to embrace your whole self, just see if you can embrace in the fact, in that struggle too. Accept the feelings. And keep hugging yourself or imagining there's that hug for you. And floating in the presence of unconditional love and acceptance that exists for you no matter what. You are worthy. You are doing your best. You are enough. Remembering that this love is always accessible to you. There is always love there for you. We just have to remember to look. You are worthy. You are doing your best. You are enough. Feeling those feelings of love and acceptance. Letting those feelings of judgment go. And gently in your own time, begin to open the eyes.